Well, it's time for Property Pulse. Today we're going to take a look inside some very unique and I'm telling you jaw-dropping homes while getting the scoop from the guy who makes your real estate dreams come true, William Gordon. From the award-winning Gordon Team Realty. William, I am blown away by today's lineup. I don't want to waste time. Tell us about them.
Hey Rick, are you feeling like $1 million?
More than that.
Well, you will if you move into one of these homes. Waybridge in Showcase 1, original 7 Oaks, this absolutely stunning, traditional, with all the modern amenities that you'd expect. Look at the office there. Look at this gorgeous kitchen, completely refinished cabinetry, completely gutted cabinetry, and everything else in the kitchen and all 4 bathrooms. This property has it all. 2 half baths, 4 full baths. We've got as many bedrooms as you could possibly use. 5 bedrooms. This is the primary suite. All of this imported Dolomite, tile, slab, upstairs loft area. Again, every single bedroom has its own full bathroom. These are gorgeously sized. This is a very, very impressive home. Elevator, basement, the spa, you can walk down into the basement from the backyard, get your workout on. Great gym. We're looking at over 7,000 square feet. What's the price?
Well, you told me I feel like $1 million. I feel like $3 million.
We're at $2,895.
Wow.
And it's a fantastic value. Here we are in Santa Clarita. I'm helping a past client with their next home to sell. Windbreak Terrace, 3 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, 3,432 square feet. This home really sets itself apart with an amazing lot, great views. That's a gym if I've ever seen one. Equipment not included. That would be extra. But it's a 2-story, beautiful home in Canyon Country in Santa Clarita. And I can't tell you how nice this area is. Beautiful amenities throughout. The community has hiking trails, amazing gym, community center. It really has it all. As you can see, everything's very new. This home is only 2 years new. Side yard is spacious. You're on a corner lot. You've got a terraced opportunity and you have an outdoor balcony. What do you think we're listed for there? You might not be as familiar.
1.75 million, maybe?
We're at 1.5, and that is what things are going for in that area. Here we are at Eberly. This is in Lakeside. That's a community just south of town. If you've ever been going down Old River, you pass the school, that's Lakeside. Here we are, 4 acres. Main house, nearly 3,000 square feet. That's a 100 by 50 foot shop. So 5,000 square feet, 2 roll-up doors. This is an amazing place to work on heavy equipment, trucks. That's an apartment that's built into the shop. So it only takes up a little bit of that huge shop. You've got guest quarters, guest home here. This home is part of a sale that has been ordered, but you have 2 shops. This one here is about 40 by 40. That was me measuring. You better measure. Beautiful pool in great condition. And look at the space there. You have big eucalyptus trees at the rear of the lot. Again, 4 bed, 4 bath plus guest house. So you're looking at nearly 4,500 square feet of living space. What do you think, Rick?
1.25 million?
We are at 115.
Ooh.
It's a great deal. I could see the price going way up from here. The reason you're not seeing the inside of the house is because that is for you to do with as you please. But give me a call if you're interested in any of these listings. These are some phenomenal listings today.
Great listing today. As always, Wade, it's always great to have you here.
Thank you, Rick.
All right.
See you next week.
All right. Hey, listen, guys, don't go away. We got more Studio 17 to come.